Friends, if you are facing this type of problems, like whenever you want to speak in English with confidently and fluently, you are not able to speak. Whenever you want to speak in English, you are searching for the right word and you get nervous when you talk to native speaker and you are unable to express your feelings. If this all problems is with you, then watch the video till the end, because this video is especially for you, because in this video I am going to share with you some important tips which will help you to improve your communication skill, which will help you to improve your confidence and fluency. But friends, before starting video, I want to make a small request to you. It's a humble request. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and like my video. It motivates me to make more videos to help you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number one tip is relax and speak slow. Yeah, relax and speak slow. Most of the people, many people think that fluency means speaking fast. But my dear friend, this is not true. If you are not speaking fast, it doesn't mean you are not fluent. From my opinion, fluency means speaking English without fear, without hesitation, and full of confidence. Do you know, friends, what problems you create for yourself when you try to speak fast? Number one, you start forcing yourself to find words faster and faster, and it makes your brain confused and your mind go in wrong direction or and different direction. And you start fumbling and use lots of fillers like So please don't do this. Whenever you have to speak, first of all, relax your mind, remove your stress and tension, take a deep breath and relax your face expression. After that, start speaking. But speak slow. When you speak slow, it shows you are a very calm and nice person, and by this method, you feel very less hesitation and more confidence while speaking. So use this method. Now come to the second point, and second point is make eye contact. Friends, remember one thing, that speaking English confidently is not just about the words that you are using. It's about the message that you are delivering to others and how the person is receiving it. So always make eye contact, because when you make eye contact, you will be able to read their expression, how they are understanding you. And you can observe their feelings, that they are enjoying whatever you are saying or not. So it's very necessary to make eye contact for your confidence, because when you make eyes contact, it shows that you are a confident person. Now come to the third point, and the third point is do work on your vocabulary and pronunciation. It is very important, friends. If your pronunciation is not good, then you will face lots of issues while speaking, and the person can misunderstand you whom you are speaking, because the meaning will be changed just because of pronunciation. And if you have not enough vocabulary in your mind, then you will stuck several times while speaking and you will not be able to express your feeling. So you should must work on your vocabulary and pronunciation. It is very important. Now come to the fourth point. Do you know, friends, who can help you to overcome from this problem? It's only you. Yeah, it's only you. Use self-talk, use positive talk when you lack confidence while speaking. Like I can speak English very fluently. I will be a very fluent speaker one day. And this determination will give you more confidence while speaking in front of anyone. And this determination will help you to grow in your life. So use this technique, use positive self-talk. Now come to the fifth point, and the fifth point is you need to speak in full sentences, not only yes or no. If you need to say something, then you have to express yourself. Because when you talk like this, little more detail, people will think about you that you are a confident person and you are not afraid to speak in English. So use this technique. It is very helpful to be confident and feel like confident speaker. So these were the 5 points to improve your confidence level. Now I will see you in the next video. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thank you so much for listening me.